The WorldDrive Flex Control Bypass Panel provides optimized motor control with a built-in bypass giving dependability you can rely upon. WorldWide Electric's two contactor bypass panels utilize the trusted WorldDrive Flex Control variable frequency drive to precisely and efficiently control motors that drive equipment such as pumps, fans, and blowers in industrial, manufacturing, or commercial HVAC applications. The integrated bypass allows an operator to switch to non-VFD control when needed for applications that must remain in operation. Available in 3 sizes, each bypass panel has a compact footprint and is easy to install. Switching from VFD to bypass operation is effortless. They provide operators simple mounting, wiring, and step-by-step configuration of standard parameters. You can select from 1 to 25 horsepower at 230 volts or 1 to 75 horsepower at 460 volts variable torque rated. The bypass panel and flex control combination is built for clean, dry environments. Electronics, terminals, and power components are IP20 NEMA 1 rated for indoor use. The Flex Control VFD offers 3 control modes, protection options, built-in relay outputs, standard communications, and a single expansion slot. WorldDrive bypass panels are UL, CUL listed, and CE certified. They are in stock and ready to ship with 1 to 2 day delivery anywhere in the continental US. Visit WorldWideElectric.com or talk to your local distributor about all electric motors, gear reducers, generators, and control solutions from WorldWide Electric.